Good afternoon, class. I am audible. Just wait for a couple of minutes, then we will start. Let the student join us from CSE third also. Yes, till then you can read the lines, and this is where we have ended in the last class. So resuming from there only, we will have few questions regarding train problems. Okay, class. So this is a problem that we have to solve, and this problem from a train. Just hold on, students are coming again. Let them join first. Screen is visible to all? Yes, class. Screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Right. Yes, class. I cannot take attendance of CSE 5th and 3rd simultaneously. It's very difficult for me. So you all are requested to kindly write present in chat box. I will take from there. And please write it once time. No duplicacy. Just hurry up, class. Find fast. So I can read the line, or you can also do that. A train moves past a man and a bridge of 260-meter long in 8 seconds and 10 seconds. What is the speed of the train? I hope this numerical we have done in the last class. Yes, this was done or not? Okay, no response, so I'm just repeating that part. So, so what we have, just see how we are going to solve this problem. Let me take your attendance also. Screenshot. First screenshot first of all. Screenshot class 1. So what we have for man and a bridge, size of bridge is given, that is 260-meter long, and we are passing a man. The train move fast a man in 8 seconds, and whereas bridge in 10 seconds, right? Which is given to us. So we all know the formula, that is speed is equal to distance upon time. We know that, right? And in this manner, first of all, we will look out for man here, and where we have said that length of train, length of train, let it be LT. We are giving it this name LT is equal to speed into time, right? So length is nothing but a distance that we are taking here. So speed is, we don't know the speed, so we are giving it this thing only, speed, right? Into this is given us, that is 8 seconds, so we write 8 over here, right? And we will give it first equation, right? Similarly for bridge, it is also given. For bridge it is given how much, since we are going to consider the length of the bridge and the length of the train both in this case. As I told you that if we have a train which is going to pass, so, and if it is, this is the bridge of length L2 and the length of train is L1, so till here when the complete train will pass the bridge, right? So we have to take the total length, that is the length of the bridge and the length of the train. So let us consider, let it be LT, that is a length of the train, and LB is the length of the bridge, right? So it will be how much? It is given, and speed we don't know, that we have to find. So what it will be, speed into 10, as in equation 1 we have, just we have found, right? So we will see, we will do this thing simply.
Finally, please, right?
So just erasing a diagram because we don't have space.
Move
Right.
fast.
So for a bridge, what we have, length of the train, that is LT, plus
Picture 260 मीटर long in its
length. length of the bridge LB, right, is equal to speed into, that we have to find, into, or time is given 10 seconds, so that will be 10. Now from equation 1 you can see we have find LT. This is how much? Speed into 8. So we will substitute this value over here. So speed into 8, that what we have, plus length of the bridge is equal to speed into 10, right? Let us let give this equation to, right?
प्यार के पहले
So
प्यार का पहला
if we solve this equation, if we solve this equation, what we have, yes class, that is 2 into speed is equal to LB. LB is given to you, that is how much? Length of the bridge, that is 260, so that will be 260, right? So that will be 130 meter per second, right? So this is how we solve the problem, right? I hope you understood. We done this thing in the last class also. I'm just repeating the same thing for those who have not attended the class. Now moving to the next problem that we have. Right. So can anyone read? Yes class, please read the problem that we have.
Train running at
Yes, Himani. Yes, Himanish. Train running at,
train running at a speed of 60 km/h crosses a pole in 9
yeah,
seconds. What length of train?
what is the length of the train, right? So what is required? Length of the train. So the formula that what we have, speed is equal to distance upon time, where distance is nothing but the length that we are talking about here. So L is equal to S into T. S into T, that is what we need to find the length. Please remember this part. So we need conversion also, since it is in kilometer. So we need to convert into meter per second, so that you all know, multiplied by 5 by 18. So simply multiply it by 5 by 18. So that is the conversion method first we have to do. So that how much we will get from here, that will be 50 by 3, and it is meter per second, right? Now to find the length of the train, what we have, length of the train as from the above formula which I have told you just now, that is speed into time, where speed we have found just now, right, 50 by 3, and time is also given, that is 9 seconds. So what will be there, 50 by 3 into how much, 9 meter. Yes, find it out, what is the answer? Yes, calculate it. I will randomly announce your name, you have to answer this question. Yes, after calculating 50, yes, how much?
150.
150 meter is the, what is this? What we have found just now? We have found the length of the train. right? So option D is correct. 150 answer. Yes, Himanish, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Problem is clear? Okay. Moving to the next problem. Just read the line. Yes, anyone? Kulwant, read the problem. Read this problem. Yes, anyone else? Kulwant, you will be absent now for today's class if you're not responding. Yes, Manpreet, Navjot, yes, Aishwarya, you can read the problem. Read the problem. Yes, Smarty, you can read. Simran, my voice is audible to all? Yes, class, my voice is audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, please read, Simran. Yes, Muskan, you read it out.
The length of the bridge which a train 130 meters long and traveling at 45 kilometers per hour can cross in 30 seconds is
Yes. So what we have to find? We have to find the length of the bridge. This
length
is
of
what is
bridge.
needed, right? And in which train is given? How much? 30 meters and traveling at speed of 45, right? Kilometer per hour. So first of all, we have to convert this conversion method, and we have to convert the speed into meter per second, right? So what we will have, the given data that we have, that is speed is equal to 45 into, we all know, if you want to convert it into meter per second, we simply multiply it by 5 by 18. So what we have, meter per second, that will be how much? 25 by 2 meter per second, right? Can cross in how many, how much second? 30 second. So time is there, that is how much? 30 second. Now let the length of the bridge will be x. We always consider this thing that we don't know, we'll consider it. Yes. So let the length of bridge A will be that considered as x meter, right? Then what we have, which is given, we all know, that is 130, that is a train, plus x, that is a total length. So 130 plus x, right? 130 plus x by time. Time is how much? 30 is equal to speed. That is how much? 25 by 2. We know the formula. Now solve this. This is the equation we get. Yes. Now solve this. Find the value of x. Yes. What is the correct answer? So if we solve this thing, you will see that will be 2 into 130 plus x is equal to 25 into 3, that is 70, 750, right? Solve this equation, find the value of x, then tell me what is the answer.
So
Yes,
245
class.
meter.
Giving you 245 meter. Yes, good, very good. The correct answer is 245 meter. Yes, Himanish, is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, class, is it clear? Okay. Yes, moving further with the next problem. Yes, please read it out. Please read it out. Yes, anyone, please do it. Don't hesitate. Yes, anyone.
So a train passes a station
Yes,
platform in 36 seconds and a man standing on the platform in 20 seconds. If the speed of the train is 54 km per hour, what is the length of the platform?
right. In previous example, what we have seen, we have find the length of the train. We have find the length of the bridge. Now we have given the parameters and we know the formula, speed is equal to distance upon time. And we need to find out the length of the platform this time. So we will consider definitely the length of the platform be x meter first of all, right? And if speed is given in kilometer, we have to convert it. Conversion method need to apply. This thing we know, we have done in the previous problem also. So let us consider this thing. Let the length of the platform, I am putting it in short form PF because it is very difficult to write with mouse, bx meter, right? Now we know the speed is given in kilometer, we have to convert it. So we will multiply it, kilometer 2 into meter, so we have to multiply it by 5 by 18. So 54 into 5 by 18, that we have to do meter per second. And if we solve this, how much, class, it will be? If you have calculator in your hand,
15.
you can do it 15 meter, right? Yes, in the next time, keep calculator with you so that we can do this calculation. Don't waste our time in this, right? And now what we have to find, we have to find the length of the train also. For that, we have given that man standing on a platform in the train passes a station platform in 36 seconds, and a man standing in a platform in that is 20 seconds. So if 36 and 20 seconds, so what we have to do is the speed into that time that we have, that will be the length. So we can find the length of the train length of the train will be 15 that we got into 20, that will be 300 meter. If we multiply 15 into 2, that is 30, and so length of the train LT, I'm putting it in short form. Length of the train is this much. We have speed we have calculated, that is 15 meter per second. Now, as we have considered the length of the platform, that is x meter, so we will add this thing again as we did it in previous problem. So x plus 300. So x is the length of the platform plus the length of the train divided by that time is given 36 seconds. 36. Then what we will have, that is speed is equal to distance upon time. So speed is given 15 seconds. We simply substitute this thing to get this equation. Now solving this equation, solve this equation 1. We simply take 36 on the other side, so it will be x plus 300, and if we multiply 36 into 15, it will be how much?
540.
540. X plus 300 is equal to 540. So it will be how much? X is equal to 240, because after detection of 300. So we have this answer over here. So answer B is correct. Yes, class, is it okay? Is it okay? Shall we move to the next problem? Yes. Now coming back to one more problem, we are doing this one is, that is board problem. Can anyone read? Yes, Muskan, please read it out. We don't have much time. So wait for just.
Speed of a boat in standing water is 9 km per hour and the speed of the stream is 1.5 km per hour. A man rows to a place at a distance of 105 km and comes back to the starting point. The total time taken by him is.
Right. So we have given the speed of the boat in standing water. Please remember this thing. In standing water, it is there. So as we know that when we are talking about stream, so there is a downstream, then it is going to be add, and when it is upstream, then it is going to be subtract, right? So the stream is given how much? 1.5 km per hour. So talking about speed for downstream first of all. So how much it will be? For downstream, it will be 9 plus 1.5. So how much it will be? 10.5. This will be your downstream. And same about upstream. So upstream is talking about we have to subtract this from this, that is 9 minus 1.5, that will be 7.5, because we are working in opposite direction. So we have 7.5 kilometers. So talking about total time, so since it was asked to find the total time, so total time can be, that is 105 kilometer that we have divided by the upstream plus 105 downstream. Downstream is almost 10.5 hours. Yes, can you please calculate this? What is the output. What is the result? If we solve this thing, this is 10.5. So this is for upstream and this is for downstream. Since we are talking about the total time taken by him. So if we solve this thing, the correct answer is 24 hours. 24 hours. So the total time taken by him to come back to the starting point, which is given here, that will be 24 hours, right? Yes.
24
So this is what we have for speed when we are talking about. We are going to, for upstream and downstream, we are going to subtract it, right? And do please remember the third formula that we have is the speed downstream is in kilometer and the speed upstream is in B kilometer, A kilometer and B kilometer. These two speeds are given in this. Then the speed in still water will be half of A plus B, whereas the rate of stream can be found out by half A minus B. Just please remember this formula, right? Half A minus B, where A is what? The speed downstream and B is speed upstream, right? Or you can say U minus V, that we can have upstream and downstream, right? Just Himanish, read this question.
Yes. Man rose to a place 48 kilometer distant and come back in 14 hours. He
14
find
hours.
that
Yeah.
he can row 4 kilometer with the stream in the same time as 3 kilometer against the stream. Rate of stream is
What is the formula to find the rate of the stream? What is the formula? Yes, class. Anyone? What is the formula to find the rate of a rate of stream? Just now I have told you. Rate of a stream is how much?
So 1 by
1
2
by 2
bracket A minus B kilometer per
a
hour.
a min kilometer per hour. This is the formula, right? So अब इस formula में what is needed that we need to find out? We have to find the downstream. We have to find the upstream. First of all, that is needed. We need to find A and B. That is the upstream speed and downstream speed, right? That is we need to find. So for that, now let us suppose that we have move 4 kilometers. We have to find that he can row 4 kilometers with the stream in some distance, in same distance as 3 kilometers against the stream, right? So let us consider this thing. We are taking assumption now that suppose we have moved how much? 4 kilometers downstream in XR, right? We don't know, we need to find the X. So speed for downstream will be speed of downstream will be 4 by X. Similarly, speed for upstream that will be 3 by X as it is given against the stream. Read the words. Against the stream means upstream. Right? With the stream means downstream. Right? So we found this thing. Speed downstream will be 4 by x and speed upstream will be 3 by x, right? So total distance that given that a man rose up to how many kilometer? 48 kilometer. That is the distance which we have, and come back in 48 hours. So what we have 48. So time is equal to distance upon speed. So 48 upon speed, that is speed that just now we have found 4 by x. 4 by x plus 48 by 3 by x, covered in how much time? In 14 hours. So that is equal to 14. Solve this equation. Yes guys, solve this equation. If we solve this equation, how much we will get? So we are going to find the value of x first of all. So once we get the value of x, then we will substitute the value of x in upstream and downstream. And once we get the upstream and downstream, we simply substitute the value in the formula that we get it here, this one, a and b. So after that we will get the rate of the stream. Yes, solve it. So if we solve this equation, we get the value of x is how much? 1 by 2.5. Right. So it will be, so speed downstream will be 4 by x, that is 1 by 2, that will be 8 kilometer per hour. So speed downstream will be 8 kilometer per hour, and similarly speed upstream will be how much? 3 into 2, that is 6 kilometer per hour, right? So we are left with this thing that is needed, for which we have done this equation. So simply we have to substitute the value of a and b over here. So to find the rate of a stream, we have the formula, that is half, Ashley has told us, that is upstream, that is we have downstream minus upstream, and that is how much? Half of 8 minus 2, 8 minus 6, so that is how much? 2 into half, so that is how much? 1. So it will be 1 kilometer per hour. Yes class, is it clear? It is very simple. Himanish, is it clear? Formula is
सर
clear?
एक बार रिपीट करो कैसे
Please
एक बार रिपीट
remember
कर दो
this formula. क्या
कैसे
repeat करना है? कौन सा part repeat करना है? Which part you want to
सर
repeat?
डाउनस्ट्रीम
Yes.
डाउनस्ट्रीम
So what is the formula for downstream? To find the rate of the stream, what is the formula? 1 by 2 into a minus b. Just remember this. This is the formula to find the rate of the stream. Yes. So what we have to find? We have to find a, that is what? Downstream speed. So we have to find a and we have to find b. B is what? Upstream speed. Right. For that reason, what we have taken, a man rose to a place 48 kilometer distance. So that is given to us, and come back in 14 hours. Right. So there will be a down speed, there will be upstream speed, right? So distance upon speed is equal to time that we have. So first of all, we have considered that we are taking that